Hey, this is Jazz with Swift Math Solutions. Do you struggle with math? Do you spend more time than you should working on the same math problems and then only to take the test and you still didn't pass the exam? Well, this is where I come in. My goal is to empower students with how to solve those math problems within seconds. Here's today's math tip: how to find the least common multiple, also known as LCM, and the greatest common factor, also known as GCF, in seconds. The least common multiple of a set of numbers is the lowest positive number that is the multiple of every number in that set. Here are the rules. Number one, when given a set of numbers, start with the largest number. Number two, remember, if you're asked to find the least common multiple of two prime numbers, just multiply the numbers together. For example, if we're asked to find the least common multiple of 11 and 13, we'll multiply 11 times 13, which is equal to 143. Number three, if two numbers have no common factor, just multiply the numbers together. For example, if you're asked to find the least common multiple of 4 and 15, just multiply 4 times 15, which is equal to 60, which would be the least common multiple. Or, if you're asked to find the least common multiple of 9 and 25, just multiply 9 times 25, which is equal to 225. Let's do some more examples. Find the least common multiple of 8 and 12. 12, of course, we have 12 times 1, which is 12, 12 times 2, which is 24. Let's look at 8. We have 8 times 1, which is 8, 8 times 2, which is 16, 8 times 3, which is 24. Therefore, the least common multiple is 24. Example 2. Find the least common multiple of 10 and 14. 14 times 1, we have 14. 14 times 2 will give us 28. 14 times 3, 42. 14 times 4, 56. And 14 times 5 is 70. And of course, we know 10 times 7 is also 70. Therefore, our least common multiple is 70. Example 3. Find the least common multiple of 5 and 18. We have 18 times 1, which is 18, 18 times 2, 36, 18 times 3, 54, 18 times 4, 72, 18 times 5 is 90. Then if we take 5 times 18, we also get 90. Therefore, our least common multiple is 90. Example 4. Find the least common multiple of 20 and 36. We have 36 times 1, 36, 36 times 2, 72, 36 times 3, 108, 36 times 4, 144, and 36 times 5 is 180. And also, if we take 20 times 9, we also get 180. Therefore, the least common multiple is 180. Example 5. Find the least common multiple of 13 and 17. Well, looking at these numbers, we know these are prime numbers, so we're just going to multiply 13 times 17, which is equal to 221. Example 6. Find the least common multiple of 16 and 25. Again, here are the rules. If two numbers have no common factor, just multiply the numbers together. We have 16 times 25, which is equal to 400. All right, now we're going to talk about how to find the greatest common factor in seconds. The greatest common factor is the highest number that divides exactly into two or more numbers. Here are the rules. Number 1, when given a set of numbers, start with the largest number. Number 2, remember, if you're asked to find the greatest common factor of two prime numbers, the answer is always 1. Number 3, if two numbers have no common factors, the answer is always 1. For example, the greatest common factor of 7 and 24 is 1. The greatest common factor of 14 and 75 is also 1. Example 1. Find the greatest common factor of 44, 56, and 72. We have 72, which is equal to 9 times 4 times 2. 56 is equal to 7 times 4 times 2. 44 is equal to 11 times 4. The greatest common factor is 4. Example 2. Find the greatest common factor of 15, 30, and 45. We have 45, which is equal to 15 times 3. 30 is equal to 15 times 2. And 15
is equal to 15 times 1. The greatest common factor is 15. Example 3. Find the greatest common factor of 22 and 85. Again, we have no common factors, so the answer is 1. Example 4. Find the greatest common factor of 17 and 37. Again, if two numbers have no common factors, the answer is 1.
For more math and powering tips, join Jazzy at Swift Math Solutions at Radiomini.com radio. We're streaming 24/7 with quick math tips and shortcuts. We also have Disney music and Disney movie theme music. You can also follow us at YouTube channel at Swift Math Solutions TV. Also, you can follow me on Facebook at Swift Math Solutions and also at Twitter at Swift Math Solutions. Remember, you can get empowered. We make math fun, not intimidating. This is Jazz signing off. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.